Welcome everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Rome, back again for another episode of the Fourth Official. That place where you can get that place and the only place you can get that Jamaican American views on football with a heavy bias towards Manchester United. Again, I want to thank everyone for the support throughout the time that I've been gone. I'm still in this void and others with these United States military, but we're still going to try to get the content out to you as much as possible. And today is one of those occasions, people. I finally have some time on my hands, and after watching the game yesterday, there's no way I could have let that slide without coming on here and giving you guys my opinions and my thoughts. And that's exactly what these are. These are about to be my thoughts. Now you guys might be wondering, why is this man wearing a glasses indoors? He's in his hotel room and he's still wearing a pair of glasses. Why? And I have to tell you, it's a couple of reasons. One, I had a rough night because I couldn't sleep. And two, as you can tell, I feel like Ray Charles, fam. Because the entire time I was watching that game yesterday, I could not see the midfield. You man understand now why I tell you say. You understand now why I said Whitmore was a waste man. I was screaming this from the get-go, from the days of the Gold Cup earlier this summer. I told you guys that we are not going to get anywhere with Whitmore at the helm. You have a plethora of talent, fam. You have a plethora of talent at your disposal. Back, front, and middle. And you have no clue what to do with it. You man walking around now talking about how you get this license and that license. Where is the experience that come with that classroom work, fam? Why we have a construction worker and manage the team, bro? Brother, Whitmore is sullying his reputation as a footballer. Whitmore is going to destroy his reputation as one of the greatest footballers that come through the island after these World Cup qualifications are finished, blood. And I told you guys, this man needed to lose his job from the day we exit the Gold Cup. You have a plethora of talent at your disposal, and you don't know what to do with it, brother. The Jamaican team yesterday could not hold on to the ball, regardless of how strong Mikel Antonio is, regardless of his older play, regardless of the skills that Kemar Roof possess. We could not hold on to the ball. Why? Because we have a manager, we have a coach that decided to pick a team and just neglect the midfield altogether. Oh, that makes sense. Why is it that you're going to play a formation with a two-man midfield, and the two in the midfield is Ravel Morrison and Daniel Johnson? Two players who are absolutely alike, two players who are not going to sit, both of which are going to go forward with zero defensive capabilities. Ravel Morrison plays deep for Derby, yes. But Ravel Morrison doesn't play deep for Derby by himself. He has to maintain a level of discipline for Derby County, one that he did not maintain yesterday. DJ did not maintain that yesterday. How many times have we seen Panama won the ball, put the ball past our midfield, and all of a sudden there's 3 attackers versus our 4 defense? These men were training defense versus attack because we didn't have anyone sitting in the midfield. No one playing that Michael Hector position. No one playing that Anthony Grant position. I don't even want to talk about the first game, because I never watched all of it, right? I was struggling to get some internet with me there, right? I'm not going to comment on the first game. But Anthony Grant played sublime football, doing his job of winning the ball and taking care of the football. That man was nowhere to be found on the team. I don't know what's going on behind the scenes. I don't know if he have to go back to England. I don't know if it was just all right, Anthony, you can come play the first game. But what happened to picking a midfield yesterday? What happened to defensive midfield yesterday? You man been calling for Ravel Morrison and Daniel Johnson to play. Ravel Morrison needs to play. But we need to have a defensive midfielder. You can't just go out there and say, all right, I'm going to throw all of the attacking powers out there and inshallah. In God we trust at this point. Oh, that makes sense. I would like for you guys to tell me, so I'll be listening while I take a bite of my... Fam, here's what's getting to me right now. First of all, if you're brand new, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel long as if you're brand new, please. All of you guys are coming back. Thank you guys for the support. Very much appreciated. I'll be back in the studio in a few months, but still have to take care of business. So, Manaz, I respect to all of you guys. But I really want to know. I would really like to know. Somebody tell me what was his thinking behind Whitmore picking a team and just neglecting a midfield. Maybe you can tell me, because one of you guys know. Somebody must know. All of you guys defending Whitmore to the tilt. What happened? What happened to your coach? What happened to your main decision maker? Why is it that you thought you could pick a team and don't pick a midfield? We could not hold on to the ball. It was kick it up in the air and pray say drop pan Corey Burke's head, or pray say Antonio can take it down. What happened to playing football? Panama was holding on to the football, knocking it around us in our own backyard. You man tell me one recognizable name from Panama team.
One.
I don't remember seeing one, fam. Do not remember seeing one. What I do remember, however, is Panama playing the ball around us like a little baby bop. Like a little baby bop. Tree love blood. Tree love. Pardon me, stop watching after the last goal. After the dad get you in the last goal and took it past Blake, me just stop watch it, fam. The shit just get embarrassing, blood. And it all boils down to the fucking JFF, brother. Why is it that Theodore Whitmore is still the fucking coach of this team? It way too late now. We can't bring in somebody now I expect him to create miracles. And I told you guys that if we make it to this World Cup, it's going to be in spite of Theodore Whitmore, in spite of the JFF, because of the talent what we have. And it doesn't seem like the talent can get us anywhere at this point, fam. What's going to be the next move, blood? What is going to be the next move? We did so much, talk so much on different platforms on multiple occasions about how much Jamaica national team needs all these overseas based players, needs all of these Kemaros and the Antonios and all of them ballers. The Bobby Reed to come over, represent the country, make it to the World Cup, make something of yourself. Bring us some pride and joy in the country. Well, we have them. We have a plethora, I keep saying this, a plethora of footballers in our wings right now, playing and waiting to play. But it means shit if the manager don't have a clue what he's doing, fam. And I've been telling you guys Whitmore is clueless. And you guys didn't believe me. I told you guys Whitmore was clueless. You don't believe me? Just look on the page. Go up on the platform, look on the page and scroll, go down. You're going to see it bright as day. One of the most viewed videos I've had so far. Whitmore is absolutely clueless. And somehow y'all keep defending this Wasteman, and this is where we are today. The man is sullying his reputation as a footballer. And the JFF is sitting there watching him do it because he's a yes man. Whitmore, do the right thing. Do the right thing. Walk away. Give it to Paul Hall. Make Paul Hall do it. Finish it off until the end of the season. Until the end of the World Cup qualifiers. Walk away. Because if you don't, your entire reputation are gonna get fucked. I mean, just I say it plain as day. And who not like it, sorry. You guys let me know what your position is on this matter in the comment section. But I'm going to let you know straight up. As you know, the fourth official does not hold back. I'm not gonna sit here and, oh my God, Whitmore, he's a great player. We need to give him a chance. Fuck that, fam. Whitmore, walk away. Walk away. Your glory days of 1998 is quickly fading. And yesterday now did no justice. Walk away, fam. Walk away. Left it give Paul Hall. Make Paul Hall run the thing till the end of the year, of the qualifying season. And if we don't make it, oh well. And if we do, you can sit down and watch it by your TV. Maybe the JFF will give you an honorary flight if you go down to Qatar. But walk the fuck away, Whitmore. This one is over your head, fam. This one is over your head. Okay? This one is over your head. This one is like you trying to fly a plane when you can't even drive a car, brother. Put it down. And I'm not here to disrespect nobody. I'm not here to tell you that. But in this aspect, everyone have what things that they're capable of. And you are just not at the level where you're supposed to be coaching this team. Point blank and period. Put it down. Put it down. You pick a team yesterday without a defensive midfielder, without anyone who can defend the ball, retain the ball. Ravel Morrison can play well with ball retention, but he needs somebody to play it with. If him and DJ pick up the ball, there is nobody to play a triangle with moving forward. Because Kemar Roof is all the way up there next to Antonio, which is where you're supposed to play. Bobby Reed all the way to the wing. Same thing with Corey Burke all the way to the ring. There's no triangles in the midfield. How can you pick a team to play football without any sort of triangle, brother? How that makes sense? There's no triangle in the midfield for ball retention. So as soon as one get it, all it takes is 2 man to press him, and then boom, one bad pass will lose the ball. And it happened over and over yesterday. And you as a coach can't pre that. Why is Anthony Grant not in the team? What's going on, JFF? Listen, people, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the 4th official. I don't know about you, but watching the next game is going to be very difficult for me. I don't know if I want to. I'm going to leave you with this. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe somewhere down at the bottom if you're brand new. There'll be more to come. I've been more primarily talking about Manchester United right now because JFF and Jamaica football and Theodore Whitmore got me stressed out for I'm losing weight rapidly. But anyway, thank you guys again for watching. Bless up on yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. Whitmore. Just give up, fam. Walk away. Walk away. Later. Manaz, people. Manaz.